Guys, day 2, and yeah, you can kind of see it's kind of sprinkling now. It wasn't before though. So yeah, it rained a lot last night, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna check on you and gonna start another video in about 30 minutes. So when the next one pops up after this, then you'll see the it'll be lighter so you can see more. So yeah, here comes the chickens. But yeah, it's starting to sprinkle. See you guys in a couple minutes. As you can see, there's puddles. This one is deep. So yeah, and while I was in bed last night, I just kind of saw like lightning. So there was lightning last night. It was pretty bad. It would go on and off for like an hour. Yeah, I'll update you guys later. It's 6:30 in the morning, September 1st. And yeah, it still hasn't rained that much. But I'll update you this afternoon for a part 2 of September 1st, Hurricane Harvey in Tennessee. See you guys later.
We know how to party up.